MidJourney Discord organization bonus tip. If you're using MidJourney either through the bot DMs or in your own private server, as I showed in my MidJourney organization video linked below, and you have an image prompt that you really like, you can pin it to that particular channel or thread. So for example, if I like this Wonderment of Imagination in the Cosmos thread, I can pin this image by clicking the 3 dots in the top right corner here and choosing pin message. Or if you don't want the individual image generated by MidJourney and you just want the prompt itself, you can just copy paste it as raw text. So I can copy this, enter it as a message, and then go down here and pin that specific message with the pin message option. Then in the top right hand corner, you can view the pin messages. Pin messages aren't there, so you have them organized by individual channel, but you can also do it in a thread. So if I come over here and I want to pin this one, the specific pins for your thread will show up here, and if you are in the greater channel, it does not show them. Now, if you come over here to an old thread and you pin one of those messages, it will still show up in that thread and it will reactivate the thread for you instead of having it archived. However, again, this does not show in the overall pin messages for that channel. So that's something you will have to keep track of. It's very helpful to keep it segmented while you're running through your threads for your individual projects. But if the thread archives and you go and looking for it again, it's not going to be there. And so I do recommend copying out the text and pinning that separate if you like. The same thing can be done when messaging the bot itself. You can still click the 3 dots, go to pin message, oh yeah, pin it, and then you have pinned messages for DMs as well. I hope this helps. It won't show it as like a banner at the top or anything like that. You just have a little pinned messages kind of inbox there on your servers and your DMs.